If you want to forward a GoDaddy email address using Cpanel, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. This is a very useful setup if you want emails sent to a domain address like info@yourdomain.com to automatically arrive in your Gmail or another inbox you check every day. It keeps everything organized and helps you avoid missing important messages. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, go to GoDaddy and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, look for the My Products section. This is where all of your domains, hosting, and email services are managed in one place. Next, find your web hosting plan and click Manage. If your hosting account is connected to Cpanel, this is the area you need to access to manage your email settings. After that, open Cpanel Admin. This takes you into the control panel where you can configure different tools for your website and email. Inside Cpanel, look for the email section and click Forwarders. Forwarders are what let you send incoming mail from one address to another automatically. On the Forwarders page, click Add Forwarder. Now you'll be asked to enter the email address you want to forward. For example, if you want all messages sent to info@yourdomain.com to go somewhere else, type that address in the first field. Then enter the destination email address in the second field. This is usually your Gmail, Outlook, or another mailbox where you want those messages delivered. Double check both addresses carefully so you don't accidentally forward emails to the wrong inbox. Once everything looks correct, click Add Forwarder again to save the rule. After that, Cpanel will create the forwarder and begin sending copies of new messages to your chosen destination automatically. At this point, it's a good idea to test the setup by sending a message to the original GoDaddy email address and confirming that it arrives in the destination inbox. That quick test helps make sure everything is working properly before you rely on it for business or personal messages. And that's it. You've now set up GoDaddy email forwarding through Cpanel. This is a simple but powerful way to streamline your email workflow and keep all your messages in one convenient place. If this tutorial helped, please hit like and subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.